Welcome to this tutorial on Stop Dash Process, one of the essential cmdlets for managing processes in PowerShell. Stop Dash Process allows system administrators to terminate running processes on Windows systems. Whether you need to close unresponsive applications or manage system resources, this cmdlet gives you the power to control processes efficiently. In this video, we'll explore how to stop processes using both process names and process IDs, along with important parameters and best practices to ensure safe process management. Stop Dash Process is a PowerShell cmdlet that terminates running processes on your system. You can target processes either by their name or by their unique process ID. This cmdlet is particularly useful when applications become unresponsive or when you need to free up system resources. Unlike manually closing applications through the graphical user interface, Stop Dash Process provides a command line approach that can be automated and scripted. It gives administrators precise control over which processes to terminate and how to handle the termination. The basic syntax of Stop Dash Process is straightforward. There are two primary ways to use this cmdlet. First, you can stop a process by name using the dash name parameter followed by the process name in quotes. For example, stop dash process dash name in quotes process name. Second, you can stop a process by its ID using the dash id parameter followed by the numeric process ID. For example, stop dash process dash id 1234. Both methods achieve the same result, but choosing between them depends on your specific scenario and how precisely you need to target the process. When stopping processes by name, you have flexibility in how you target applications. To stop a single instance, use stop dash process dash name followed by the process name in quotes, such as Notepad. If multiple instances of the same application are running, this command will stop all of them. For applications like Chrome that often have many processes, you can add the dash force parameter to skip confirmation prompts. The command would be stop dash process dash name Chrome dash force. The force parameter is especially useful in scripts where you don't want user interaction to pause execution. Remember that process names are case insensitive in PowerShell. Stopping processes by their ID offers more precision than using names. Every running process has a unique process ID assigned by the operating system. To stop a specific process, use stop dash process dash id followed by the numeric ID, such as 1234. Process IDs are particularly useful when you need to target one specific instance among many running processes with the same name. You can also stop multiple processes at once by separating their IDs with commas. For example, stop dash process dash id 1234, 5678, 9012. This approach ensures you're terminating exactly the processes you intend to stop without affecting others. PowerShell's pipeline functionality makes Stop Dash Process even more powerful when combined with Get Dash Process. You can filter processes and pipe them directly to Stop Dash Process. For example, Get Dash Process dash name Chrome pipe Stop Dash Process will retrieve all Chrome processes and stop them. You can also use more complex filtering with where dash object. For instance, to stop all processes using more than 500 megabytes of memory, use Get Dash Process pipe, where dash object with a script block checking if the working set is greater than 500 megabytes, then pipe to stop dash process dash force. This combination allows for sophisticated process management based on various criteria like memory usage, CPU time, or other process properties. Stop Dash Process supports several important parameters that modify its behavior. The dash force parameter stops processes without prompting for confirmation, which is essential for automation scripts. The dash PassThru parameter returns process objects that were stopped, allowing you to capture information about terminated processes for logging or further processing. The dash WhatIf parameter is extremely useful for testing because it shows what would happen if you ran the command without actually stopping any processes. Finally, the dash confirm parameter prompts you for confirmation before stopping each process, providing an extra safety layer when terminating critical applications. Understanding these parameters helps you use stop dash process safely and effectively in different scenarios. Following best practices ensures safe and effective process management. Always verify process names or IDs before stopping them to avoid accidentally terminating the wrong application. Use get-process to list running processes and confirm your targets. Be extremely cautious with critical system processes, as stopping them can cause system instability or data loss. Before running commands in production environments, use the -WhatIf parameter to test your commands and see exactly what will be affected. When precision matters, prefer using process IDs over names because IDs uniquely identify specific process instances, whereas names might match multiple processes. Finally, always save your work in other applications before running stop dash process commands to prevent accidental data loss.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.